So in the process of this seminar, we are now trying to solicit yung mga expectations ng ating mga participants from both schools, Cabuluan Elementary School as well as Palloc Elementary School. What do you expect na maa-achieve natin sa pamamagitan ng conduct ng SBM seminar na ito, which is hosted by Palloc Elementary School and Cabuluan Elementary School? Okay? We expect what? Or can we have it as a consensus now? A general expectation na? Ma'am, anong say nyo? As a whole na? Okay. Who can now draft and formulate yung general expectation natin as a group na? Tama ka, Sir Donald, no? As a group na. What do we expect? Kaya tayo nandito ngayon. Anybody? Sige na. You have your purpose in joining this seminar. Bring it out. It's very impossible naman na we expect nothing from this, no? That would be very, anong tawag doon? Nakakatuwa, funny thing when we just come here without any expectations. Definitely we have at least one expectation. And as a whole group, ano ang inaasahan nating makamit natin sa pag-conduct ng seminar na ito?
Pastor, give us what is in your mind.
Well, on the basis of yung classification natin na low performing school is, I want that instead of qualified as low performing school with the use of the materials and this seminar provided for by the SBM grant, yes, and that will eventually mean na mag-i-improve tayo in our academic performance, right? So we try to formulate now yung general natin based from that idea that I have shared.
Sir,
yes, ma'am.
From this seminar, I expect that each of us will learn strategies and approaches wherein we can use in our classrooms when we will be teaching the different disciplines, ano sir? So to increase the academic performance of our pupils.
Okay, narinig po ninyo si Ma'am Lakshi, no? Ganun. We expect to be sharing, learning from others, different strategies and techniques, improving our academic performance, of course, by using yung mga materials we availed of through the SBM. Agreed tayo dun po? So with the ensuing activities that we shall be having, we will try to meet yung expectation natin na, in short, pagandahin, pataasin, i-enhance natin ang performance, academic performance ng ating schools. Maliwanag yun po, no? It's very clear. No? Although we have been always doing our best, no? We have been always doing our best, but our best was not enough. So, through this seminar, siguro, we shall be able to make the level of yung best natin. Kung meron pang superlative, more superlative than best, yun ang gagamitin natin. Meron pa? More best? Most best? Okay. So, Ma'am Hylin, please take down yung general. Okay na? Okay, basa, Ma'am Hylin, yung general expectation ng group.
Each of us learn strategies and approaches used in improving our classroom, improving our academic performance.
Okay. Idagdag mo by using the materials acquired via the SBM grant. Okay. So, I'm yielding back yung moderation to Ma'am, please.